When it comes to high-quality sound, durability, and style, Monster earbuds stand out as a top choice for music lovers and tech enthusiasts alike. Known for their powerful audio performance and innovative features, Monster offers a range of earbuds that cater to different needs, from sports and fitness to casual listening. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 Monster earbuds that combine superior sound quality with comfort, making them perfect for on-the-go listening and beyond. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Monster XK-1 Earbuds. Bluetooth 5.2 Stable Connection. Newly upgraded Bluetooth 5.2 chip, more stable connected devices, voice calls are not stuck, continuous connection. Translucent true wireless stereo headphones. High-quality moving coil unit brings rich and delicate, high, middle and low frequency balanced and harmonious clear sounds of nature so that you can immerse yourself in the music world. Open and connect, master-slave switching. Single and double ears use seamless switching. You can listen to one at will, with stable transmission and not easy to disconnect. Turn on game mode with low delay. Intelligent algorithm technology is adopted to strengthen the processing of ambient sound and noise algorithms, effectively reduce the noise during calls, and make the call clearer. Ink call noise reduction clear communication. Realize the separation of call sound and other sounds, and be able to communicate clearly in a noisy environment. All-metal diaphragm moving coil sound quality. High dynamic coil unit plus graphene diaphragm. Full frequency sound is more pure and more powerful, and the sound of footsteps is close to your ears. Ergonomic design and comfortable fit. Lightweight design, transparent appearance, mini portable, no ear picking, ordinary sports and games. Music and game mode one-button switching. The real game headset can switch the sound effect. You can switch the game mode with one key, and there is a 3-dimensional sound effect. High-capacity battery life, music travels all day. Headphones with charging box can make you play all day without worry. You can charge and travel at ease anytime and anywhere. Game music is always with you. Smart compatible with Bluetooth. Whether mobile games or computer games, as long as the device has Bluetooth function, you can connect to play games and listen to music. Pros: high-quality sound, clear communication, one-button mode switching and low-latency gaming. Cons: battery life, fit and comfort. Number 4. Monster Open-Ear 202 Earbuds. Let's talk sound. We've all been there listening to music with earbuds that just don't do justice to your favorite tracks. But with the Open-Ear 202, it's a whole new ball game. The surround sound effect stereo loud field creates an expansive soundstage that feels like you're in a cinema. It's not just hearing the music, it's experiencing it. The sound is incredibly wide and dynamic, bringing the sound to the scene, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just vibing to your playlist. This is high-fidelity sound at its best. Now, let's talk about connectivity. We've all been frustrated with pairing issues, right? The Open-Ear 202 uses Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a stable, continuous connection. You'll never have to worry about interruptions or that annoying lag. And here's something you'll love: the master-slave switch feature. Just pick them up, and the two earbuds will automatically connect. No more fumbling with settings or having to repair them every time you use them. Comfort? Check. The Open-Ear 202 is designed with skin-friendly silicone that's super comfortable, without that annoying ear clamping feeling. The high elastic material is adjustable and stretchable, so it fits every ear's shape perfectly. Whether you're jogging, on a call, or just chilling, these earbuds stay in place and feel like they're barely there. And when it comes to calls, these earbuds shine. Thanks to the double microphone noise cancellation, your voice is crystal clear, just like a face-to-face conversation. No more worrying about background noise or echo. The Open-Ear 202 eliminates environmental distractions, so your voice comes through loud and clear. Let's not forget about battery life. With up to 6 hours of playback, you'll have all the power you need for long listening sessions. Plus, the charging case has a massive 400 mAh capacity, so you can recharge the earbuds multiple times while you're on the go. Pros: immersive sound, crystal clear calls, comfortable fit, and decent battery life. Cons: durability. Number 3. Monster AC600 Ear Clip Earbuds. The AC600 features a unique Planet Energy ring design that breaks the mold of conventional earphones. With its innovative rotating outer ring, you get to enjoy a fun and intuitive way to control your music while adding a touch of futuristic style to your look. The sleek vacuum nano-layer finish not only makes them look sophisticated but also ensures they feel incredibly premium in your hands. And with the Bluetooth 5.4 chip inside, these earphones promise enhanced anti-interference and unbeatable connection stability. No more dropped connections or interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted music. Now, let's get into the magic: the sound quality. It is equipped with a 13mm broadband unit and a titanium metal composite multi-ring diaphragm. What does this mean for you? An incredible hi-fi panoramic stereo sound with balanced frequencies across the board. Whether you're into deep bass, crisp highs, or mid-range details, the Monster delivers a full, rich audio experience. It's like having a live concert in your ears, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. And thanks to the AI intelligent noise reduction, your calls and music remain crystal clear, no matter where you are. Battery life? Absolutely no problem here. With just 10 minutes of charging, you get up to 1 hour of listening time. That's perfect for those times when you need a quick boost. And with a single ear range of about 7 hours, plus a portable energy ring that lasts up to 21 hours or more, you're covered for the entire day and beyond. Plus, the Monster is IPX5 waterproof. So whether you're sweating it out at the gym or caught in the rain, these earphones are built to withstand it all, keeping your music flowing no matter what. And let's not forget about convenience. The Monster features sensitive, single-handed fingerprint touch controls. This means you can manage your music and calls effortlessly without fumbling around. Just a touch here and there, and you're all set. Pros: sound quality, Bluetooth 5.4, IPX5 waterproof, convenient controls. Cons: battery life, durability. Number 2. Monster n-lite 206 Tour Wireless Earbuds. The n-lite 206 features a 10mm driver that crafts rich, deep bass with every beat. Thanks to DSP amplification technology, you'll experience minimal distortion for a truly authentic listening experience. It's pure, powerful, and immersive whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or catching up on a podcast. Feel the music come alive with sound that surrounds you. Whether it's punchy bass or crisp highs, these earbuds bring every note to life with stunning clarity. Comfort meets design with the ergonomic fit of the n-lite 206. These earbuds nestle perfectly into your ear, blocking out distractions while staying in place no matter how intense your workout gets. With 3 sizes of ear tips included, you can customize the fit to your ear's unique shape, ensuring you get a snug, secure, and comfortable fit every time. Need to skip a track or adjust the volume? No problem. The sensitive touch controls on the n-lite 206 allow you to manage music and calls with just a simple tap. No need to pull out your phone, control your audio right from your earbuds. From answering calls to pausing your playlist, it's all in the palm of your hands, literally. With up to 25 hours of battery life, the n-lite 206 has you covered for the entire day, whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing at home. And if you need to recharge, they're ready to go again in no time. That's 25 hours of uninterrupted listening, no more worrying about running out of power halfway through your day. Staying connected is easier than ever with Bluetooth 5.4. Enjoy a seamless, low-latency connection that auto-reconnects the moment you put your earbuds in. Whether you're gaming, taking calls, or listening to music, the connection is stable and reliable. And if the weather turns or you're working up a sweat at the gym, the IPX6 waterproof rating ensures your earbuds stay safe and sound rain or shine. Whether you're hitting the gym, taking a call, or just losing yourself in your favorite music, the n-lite 206 True Wireless Earbuds are the perfect choice for all-day comfort, powerful sound, and cutting-edge features. Pros: rich bass and clear sound, comfortable fit, long battery life, and advanced Bluetooth 5.4. Cons: touch sensitivity and fit issues for some users. Number 1. Monster Open AC601 Earclip Earbuds. Powered by the latest SIG Bluetooth 5.4 technology, The AC601 ensures a fast and stable connection, giving you a low-latency listening experience, perfectly synced audio and video with no delay, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or video calling. Designed for comfort, the AC601 features a stable and secure clip-on design. Made with premium materials, these open-ear earbuds won't easily fall off, and their pressure-free fit means you can wear them for hours without discomfort. Get the best of both worlds with the open-ear design. Enjoy your music in full immersion while staying aware of your surroundings, whether you're running, cycling, or just enjoying a walk outside. With the A601, you're always connected to the world around you. Feel the power of pure monster sound. Thanks to the 13mm PUK composite sound film, these earbuds deliver HiFi level sound, clear highs, deep lows, and everything in between. It's like having a portable mini speaker right in your ears. Whether you're on a busy street or in a crowded gym, the ENC noise cancellation technology ensures your calls are crystal clear, blocking out unwanted noise so you can talk without interruptions. It's like having a face-to-face conversation, no matter where you are. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The AC601 offers an impressive 39 hours of playback. 9 hours on a single charge, plus an extra 30 hours with the charging case. That's more than enough for your longest workouts or travel sessions. Ready for anything, rain or shine, the AC601 earbuds are built with IPX5 waterproof rating, so you can use them during your sweatiest workouts, or even while running in the rain. No more worrying about sweat or raindrops damaging your earbuds. Enjoy smart touch controls with just a tap. Skip tracks, adjust volume, or take calls all without needing to touch your phone. The enhanced sensitivity gives you quick feedback, making your listening experience smoother than ever. Pros: latest Bluetooth technology, open listening experience, IPX5 water resistance, long battery life and noise cancellation for calls. Cons: limited bass response and sensitivity to wind noise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.